Assalamualaikum. So today I will be teaching Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 0580 Paper 4 Chapter 8 Set. So before we start, I want to say the revenue generated in first 6 months will be sent to Palestine, inshallah. So question 1. Okay. So this is a normal, and set A is a multiple of 3. Okay. So in this set, the multiple of 3 are 21. Wait a minute. 21, 24, 27, and 30. Okay, set B contain a number which are prime number. So in this, the prime number are 29 and 23. Okay, so prime number are those number which only come in their multiple and the multiple of 1. Okay, X contain a number less than or equal to 25. Okay, so set C. So it will be 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay, so set A 21, 24, 27, and 30. So we will first see that in set A, is there any number which are common with set B and C? So 21 and this 21 are common. So set A over C. So I will write 21 over here. It's 21. Okay, 21. And then 24 is also common. Okay, so 24 and 27 is not common, so we will add 27 over here. 30 is also not common, so we will add over here. Then let's go to set B. 29 is not coming in set A and set C, so we will write 29 over here. And 23, okay, 23 is common, so 23 we will write over here. Okay, now set C. 21 we already write it, 24 we already write it, only 22 is left, so 22. Oh sorry, I forgot over here 25, and 25 is not coming over anymore. So 25, because the sign is X less than and equal to 25. This is an equal to, so that's why we will also write 25. Okay, use that notation to complete the statement. 26. Oh sorry, we forgot some numbers. So the numbers which are not coming in any of these three sets, what number will be? Okay, so 21 is coming in set A and C, 22 is coming in set C, 23 is also coming in set B and C, 24 also, 25 also, 26 is not coming in all these three sets, so we will write 26 over here. 26, 27 is already there, 28 is not present in all these three sets, so we will write over here 28. Okay, now it's complete. Use that to complete the statement. So 26 and set B. Okay, so as we know that 26 is not coming in set B, so we can write it does not belong to B. A common. Okay, so this symbol mean any numbers which are common between these two sets, so set A and set B. So set A and B common area will be this area. So there is no number present in this area, so we will write 4. Okay, list the element of A common. Okay, so C common. First we will see C common A, and C common A is this area. So so the value are 21 and 24. So we could write B common 21 over and 24, and this symbol mean all the numbers which are present inside B and the other numbers are 21 and 24. So we can write over here 21, 23 is present inside B. Inside B there 23 and 29. Okay, so 23, 24 and 29. Okay, So whenever there is an n with C or with B anyone, so it tells us how many numbers are present. So in this it says that how many numbers are present in set C. So in set C there are 5 numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write, okay, but I should move there. Okay, so 25 numbers. Okay, then again we have to find numbers which are present in this. Okay, first B common C. So B common C are 23. So 23 alpha B dash. So B dash mean any number which are not present in B, inside B. So the numbers which are not present inside B are 27, 36, 26, 28, 21, 24, 22 and 25. So so the number will be 23 over here, so we copy paste it, 27, 36, 21, 24, okay, not second, okay, so 24, 22, 25, 26, 28. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 numbers are present in this statement. 9 numbers. Okay, A common C is a subset of, okay, complete this statement using set notation. Statement is so this is subset of this. Okay, now let's move to next question. This question has been taken from 058041 summer 2018, May June 2018, question 10. In 2017, the membership fees for a sports club was $79.40. This was an increase of 6% on the fees in 2016. Calculate the fees in 2016. Okay, so for example, X was the fees in 2016, and there was a 106% increase in X fees, so which was equal to 79.50. So we will cross multiply this, and X will be 79.5 multiplied by 100 divided by 106. So our answer will be, let's do this in calculator, 75. Okay, next question. On one day, the number of members using the exercise machine was 50, correct to nearest 10. Each member used a machine for 30 minutes, correct to nearest 5 minutes. Calculate the lower bound. Okay, lower bound for the number of minutes the exercise machine was used on this day. Okay, so 40. So upper bound, lower bound. Okay, so as we know, the 40 is correct to nearest 10. So 10 half is 5. So we will for upper bound we will plus 5. So it will be 45. For lower bound we will minus 5. So it will be 35. So same for 30. So 30 is correct to 5 minutes. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So we will, for upper bound we will plus 2.5. So it will be 32.5, and for lower bound it will be 27.5. Okay, we need to find lower bound. Okay, so the lower bound for the minutes are 27.5, and for the exercise machine is 35. So we will 35 multiplied by 27.5, so which will give us the answer 962.5. our answer. Let's move to next part. On another day, number of members using the exercise machine E, okay, and the swimming pool S, and the tennis court T is shown on the Venn diagram. Finally, finally, number of members using only the tennis court. Okay, so the only word is used, so it means that number of member which only use tennis court, does not use the machine, like do not use exercise machine and the swimming pool. So it's 16. So answer will be 16. Find the number of members using the swimming pool. Okay, the swimming pool, so the member line this, so it will be 33 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5. So the answer will be 50. Okay, a member using the swimming pool is chosen at random. Find the probability that this member also use tennis court and the swimming machine. Okay, so we know the total member who use swimming pool are 50. So we need to find probability for the people who use all three these machines, exercise machine, swimming pool and the tennis court. So there are 4 people who use all three these machines. So 4 divided by 50 is our answer. Okay, find number. Okay, so E union S. So E union S. So E union S will be this. Okay, and T common E and F. Okay, so they are talking about this one, 7, 4, 8. So we will plus 7, 4, 8. 7 plus 4 plus 8. So our answer will be 19. Let's move to next part. This question has been taken from 058041 October November 2018 question 6. The Venn diagram will show information about the number of students who study music, drama and geography. How many students study music? Okay, so answer, so they're talking about this 5, 3, 2, 4. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, answer is 14. Okay, how many students study exactly 2 subjects? Okay, so exactly 2 subjects. So subject could be music or and drama, or music and geography, or drama and geography. So this area, and this area. So we will plus this. So 4 plus 3 plus 9, answer will be 16. Okay, let's move to next part. 2 students are chosen at random from those who study drama. Okay, those who study drama. Calculate the probability that they both, okay, also study music. Okay, so students who study drama are 8, 2, 3 plus 9. So 8, so it's 22. Okay, so 2 students are chosen. So both, and they both study music. So both study music is this part, 3 and 2. So which is 5. So 5 people study both music and drama subjects. So one person, the first person who are chosen, the probability is this 5 multiplied by 22, and the second person who are chosen, his probability will be 4 multiplied by 21. So the answer will be 20 divided by 4 is 62. In the Venn diagram, our shaded M intersection D complement. Okay. So D complement will be this area and M intersection. Okay, so this is our shaded area, 5 and this 4 part. Okay, part B. Okay, so this is the detail. Complete the Venn diagram of us using this information. So we will do this in loss. Okay, so 4 belong to A common B. So 4 over here, and there's only one number present in A set A and B, which is 1. So we already write 4, and A. Okay, so 179 and 179, and set. Now we will go to this part. Set A contain an even number. So even number are 2, 6, 8 and 10. 4 is also there, but we already write 4 in this is 4. Okay, now which number are left? 1, 2, 3 is left, so we write 3, 4, 5, 6 is over here, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the diagram is complete. 1, 7 and 9. Okay, use your Venn diagram to complete the statement. So in set B, the number are 3, 4 and 5. Let's move to next question. This question has been taken from June 4 2019, question 6. So universal set say the students in the school. Set F contains students who play football, student who plays baseball. There are 240 students in the school. 120 play football, 240 play baseball, 790 play football but not basketball. Okay. Complete the Venn diagram to show this information. Okay. So 120 play football. Okay, so 120 in 120, these are the students who play football, but in this number they are also the students who play also the baseball and football. So for example, X is the number of people who play both football and baseball, and so if we minus X with 28, so we will get the students who only play football, and 40 students play baseball. So if we and X again is the number who play both, so if we do 40 minus X, we will get the number of students who only play baseball. So 90 students play football but not baseball. Okay, this is important, 90 students. So we get a 90 student play football but not baseball. So we will write 120 minus X is equal to 90. So 120 minus 90, X value is 30. So okay, so 120 minus 30, answer is 90. X is 30. 40 minus 30 is 10. Okay, so 90 plus 100, 130. So there, so 130 is the number of students who play football and baseball. But the total students in the schools are 240. So if we minus 130 minus 240, 30 minus 240, answer will be 1110. So these are the students who does not play football and baseball. So we will write 1110. Okay, part B. Find number of F complement intersection B complement. Okay, F complement mean the number of students who does not play football. So it will be this area and intersection B complement. Okay, so it will be this area, which is 1110. So we will write 1110. Let's move to part C. A student in the school is chosen at random. Find the probability that this student play baseball but not football. Okay, but not football. So there are only 10 students who play baseball but not football. So 10 divided by total number of students in the school are 240. So answer will be 1/24. 2 students who play baseball are chosen at random. Find the probability that they both also play football. Okay, so the students who play baseball are 40 divided by 40, and they also play football, which are 30 students. So 30 over 40. So the first person who is chosen, his probability is 30 divided by 40, and the second person probability will be 29 over 39. So our answer will be 870 divided by 1560. Our answer.